sunny day, but it's cold outside. It tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind. I'm off for a good start. I hear the jingle bell.
If you have colored hair like mine, then you would know that your hair gets pretty dry and brittle. You want a quick, fast tool to solve all of these hair dilemmas. So today I'm really excited to be partnering with Revlon for this video. This is the new Revlon Salon hair dryer and volumizer. This has a very unique brush. It's oval shaped, so it has 4 bristles, which is supposed to smooth your hair. I've heard a lot of great things about this tool, so let's turn on this baby. Step 1 is to section my hair. So I have super thick hair. I just need to section off or else my hair just doesn't dry. As you can see, there's 4 different settings. The high, low, cool, and off. So the high is to dry your hair, cool is to set your hair, and then obviously to turn off. Usually when it comes to styling my hair, I don't like to use the dryer and the brush. I have a really hard time navigating it, but I find that this is very ergonomic, fits in the palm of my hand, and it's really easy to hold and grip. This tool is supposed to straighten your hair, but also provide a bend at the bottom, which kind of achieves that salon blowout look, but without paying that price. This is the side that I dried using the Revlon Salon dryer, and then this is my natural hair texture. As you can see, it's pretty frizzy. It's fairly like dry and just wild looking, and this side is definitely a lot smoother, something that I probably wouldn't be able to achieve with just a blow dryer alone. And here is the finished hair. I can't believe how smooth it came out and how straight and silky it looks. I'm definitely loving this additional volume I'm getting, which I usually don't get. I do feel like this tool would be a great holiday gift for a sister, mom, cousin, friend, anyone who's looking for a hair dryer and styler all in one. This is super affordable at just $59, and you can find it at any Ulta. Be sure to check out this hair styler. I'll have it linked for you guys down below. My all-time favorite way to add style to second or third day hair is by using hair accessories. Berets, hats, earmuffs, you name it. It's so cute and I love it. You know that time period when your hair is just at a really awkward length where the bangs are just a little bit too long and it's just like covering your eyeballs? For this tutorial, you're going to need some nail polish and bobby pins. So first start by pinning your bobby pins over a piece of paper or cardboard. I'm going to apply a thick coat of polish over the bobby pins, and what's fun about this DIY is that it's so easy to customize your own bobby pin colors to match your style. Now all you have to do is let your bobby pins dry, just shake them around for a bit, but I highly recommend letting them dry for about an hour or 2 before you wear them. Make your own DIY hair bows. You can simply customize the patterns and colors for any time of the year. Simply tie your ribbon into a bow, attach a bobby pin either with glue or by sewing, and pin to your hair. And voila, you have a super cute hairstyle. Merry Christmas! I just really wanted this video to help some of you ladies out there who are always feeling like, oh, I'm having a bad hair day. Never let a bad hair day ruin your day and ruin your mood, because there's always a solution or a little tip or hack that can definitely fix it. I wanted to thank you guys so much for all of your love and support in 2018, so I wanted to do a little giveaway in this video. I'm going to be giving away the same hair tool that I used in this video from Revlon to one of you guys, just to say thank you for all all of your love and support. So all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and leave a comment down below, and that's all you have to do to enter this giveaway. If you guys enjoyed today's video, comment down below and let me know which hack was your favorite, and let me know what other videos you would like for me to make. I love you guys all so much, and I hope you're having an amazing holiday season, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!
A sunny day, but it's cold outside. It tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my